right, so how many of you, when you look at your spoon, if you've eaten yogurt, actually see this? No, of course not. Of course you don't. So again, microscope is a tool that is going to enhance one of our senses, which is, our sense of sight, and help us make better observations so that we can collect better data and do more research. So all of those things moving back there are bacteria, and it's actually a type of bacteria called Lactobacillus acidophilus. And what's really cool about bacteria is that they come in different shapes. So some of them are rod shaped, some of them are sphere shaped, some of them are actually spiral shaped. And you don't even have to actually see the bacteria to know what their shape is. You can actually just look at the name of the bacteria. There are certain Latin word parts that actually will give you a hint as to the shape of the bacteria. So I may share that with you a little bit later. So when you guys are doing your qualitative and quantitative observations of the bacteria, it's really important that you are being descriptive and writing down what you see, because you're not going to be able to actually draw all of this. There are millions of bacteria that are going to be showing up in your field of view. And, when things are not stationary, it's even harder to draw. So you're just going to draw enough to represent, a sample of what you're seeing. But then your written observations are going to, help you fill in those details when you go back later, so that you can help, yourself remember what it is that you were actually looking at. So, yeah, this is what you're eating. And if anybody has yogurt for lunch, when you are opening up your mouth and saying, this is what is going to be swimming around in your mouth and eventually down in your gut. But again, remember, it's actually a very healthy thing.